Students, welcomes you all in online classes by Mount Lucky Academy Secondary School, Balodra. Trigonometric identities. We are going with trigonometric identities for the 10th standard. In earlier session, we have completed up to the question number 11 of exercise 7.1. 7.1 का हमने 11 तक क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट कर लिए थे. Now today we start with the question number 12, in which we have to prove the left hand side equal to right hand side. We have to take one side by simplification. We have to equate to the another side. Let's take the left hand side. Here given that cos 4 theta plus sin 4 theta, which is equal to 1 minus 2 cos square into sin square theta. Either we have to take left hand side or right hand side. Then after simplification of this side, we have to prove that it is equal to the another side. Let's take the left hand side. Start solving with the left hand side. See here, cos 4 theta plus sin 4 theta. We can write cos 4 theta. Cos 4 theta. Cos square theta is equal to whole square. Can we write cos 4 theta in according to square into square? Cos square theta into square. Power will get multiply. Then we have sin 4 theta. Sin 4 theta. This is our left hand side. See students, cos 4 theta. We can convert cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Can we convert this it? देखिए cos स्क्वायर थीटा को हम क्या राइट कर सकते हैं, 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा, 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा एंड होल स्क्वायर एज इट इज. देन वी हैव साइन 4 थीटा. सी स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा होल स्क्वायर. हियर वी हैव 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा होल स्क्वायर, विच इज a माइनस b होल स्क्वायर. व्हाट इज a माइनस b होल स्क्वायर? इट इज द a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab. So we are using the identity a minus b whole square. See, a is the 1 and b is the sin theta. This is the replacement of the a and b. Then we can write a square plus b square minus 2ab. Using the identity of a minus b whole square, this is for a square. Then we have b square, which is sin square. Then we have minus 2 into 1 into sin square theta. See, a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. b is the sin square theta and a is the 1. Then remaining term is the sin 4 theta. Now we have a square plus b square minus 2ab and sin 4 theta. Now see students, 1 plus sin square का whole square. Here we have sin square whole square and theta. This is the sin 4 theta. क्या होता है? sin 4 theta होता है 2 into 2. देखिए a की पावर m and whole power n. Then what will be the result? a की पावर m into n. So see students, sin square theta का whole square. This can be sin 4 theta. यही हो सकता है. Then we have minus 2 into 1 is 1. Then sin square theta, 2 sin square theta. Then remaining is the sin 4 theta. Now see, here we have sin 4 theta and here we have sin 4 theta. Both are of positive. दोनों हमारे पास पॉजिटिव वैल्यू है. सो पॉजिटिव पॉजिटिव कैन बी एड. देखिए 1 प्लस sin 4 theta and sin 4 theta. सी स्टूडेंट, sin 4 theta प्लस sin 4 theta minus 2 sin square theta minus 2 sin square theta. Sin 4 theta and sin 4 theta both get add. Then remaining is the 1 plus 2 sin 4 theta. Then we have minus 2 sin square theta. यही होगा हमारे पास. Then देखिए, initially what we had done, we have convert the cos square theta into the 1 minus sin square theta का whole square. a minus b whole square. a square plus b square minus 2ab. Then remaining is the sin 4 theta. Then sin 4 theta and sin 4 theta get add to each other, become 2 sin 4 theta. Remaining is the 1 minus 2 sin square theta. 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Then sin 4 theta and sin square theta. Here we have sin square theta and 2 times sin 4 theta. Then we can take 2 as a common. So we are taking 2 common and sin 4 theta minus 2 sin square theta. यही होगा हमारे पास. देखिए 2 we had taken already common, so this is not be here. sin 4 theta minus sin square theta यही आ जाएगा. Then see student, sin 4 theta How we can write sin 4 theta? Sin 4 theta can be written as the sin square theta whole square. ठीक है, sin square theta and whole square. Now see 1 plus 2 sin square theta and whole square. ऐसे हम राइट कर सकते हैं. Then we have minus sin square theta. यही होगा. फिर देखिए ये हमारे पास ब्रैकेट में है दोनों और ये भी हमारे पास ब्रैकेट में है. देन इनिशियल वी हैव sin स्क्वायर थीटा विच कैन बी रिटन एज दी 1 माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा. इसको हम 1 माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा की टर्म्स में लिख देंगे. देन वी हैव 2 है हमारे पास. देन फिर देखिए sin 4 थीटा एंड sin स्क्वायर थीटा. इन दिस वी हैव टू प्रूव 1 माइनस 2 cos स्क्वायर थीटा एंड sin स्क्वायर थीटा. व्हाट वी हैव टू प्रूव 1 माइनस 2 cos स्क्वायर एंड sin स्क्वायर थीटा. See, here we have sin 4 theta and here we have sin square theta. So what we have to do? We have to take the sin square theta also common. Sin square theta भी हमारे पास common आ सकता है. देखिए 1 plus 2 sin 4 theta है हमारे पास, तो sin square theta भी हम common ले सकते हैं. sin square theta. Then remaining in the bracket will be sin square theta minus 1. यही हो जाएगा हमारे पास रिमेनिंग. फिर देखिए 1 plus 2 sin स्क्वायर थीटा एंड sin स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस 1, यही है हमारे पास. फिर देखिए कैन वी टेक नेगेटिव एज ए कॉमन. यहां से हम नेगेटिव कॉमन ले सकते हैं क्या? लेट्स टेक इट 1 माइनस 2 sin स्क्वायर थीटा. देन इन ब्रैकेट इट इज चेंजेस टू 1 माइनस sin स्क्वायर थीटा. यही हो जाएगा. सी स्टूडेंट, नाउ वी हैव ए वन आइडेंटिटी विच इज sin स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस cos square theta equal to 1. So cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sin square theta. See here, now we have 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta can be written as the cos square theta. So changing it in the cos square theta. Cos theta की टर्म्स में हम इसे चेंज करते हैं. sin square theta into cos square theta. Now compare it with the right hand side. अब इसे हम क्या करेंगे? राइट हैंड साइड से कंपेयर करेंगे. कंपेयर कीजिए 1 minus 2 cos square 1 minus 2 cos square into sin theta. Here we have also sin square theta. So at the end we can write as the HB. What is the HB? HB is the hence proof. It means that left hand side equal to right hand side. The question asks for to verify the both the side. Verify that cos 4 theta plus sin 4 theta is equal to this quantity, and we had taken already left hand side. After solving the left hand side we had converted into the another side which is the right hand side, so it's become equal to the right hand side. So that's why we have verified the this side equal to the that side, left hand side equal to right hand side. So this is basically our question number 12 of exercise 7.1. Proceed with the next question. Next we have question number 13 of exercise 7.1. In this given that sec theta minus cos theta into, this is in the whole bracket, and again the bracket start cot theta plus tan theta and the bracket close. Here we have the left hand side which is we have to prove into the right hand side, which is given that tan theta into sec theta. So basically start with the left hand side. Left hand side से start करेंगे हम. See here sec theta minus cos theta and cot theta plus tan theta. What we have to do? We have to convert it whole the quantity into the tan theta and sec theta. हमें tan theta और sec theta की टर्म्स में हमें चेंजेस करना है. So देखिए sec theta, what can be sec theta? Sec theta is basically 1 by cos theta. Here we have cos theta. This is the bracket close. Then we have cos theta by sin theta plus sin theta by cos theta. Tan can be changes into the sin theta by cos theta, and cot theta is cos theta by the sin theta. Now taking the LCM, the both the terms are in the multiplication because the brackets are there. So we have to take the LCM. Taking LCM, cos theta 1 minus, see here, cos square theta. Cos theta can be LCM. So cos by 1 is the cos theta, and cos theta into cos theta is the cos square theta. Then bracket is the close. Then here we have also sin theta and cos theta as a LCM. Taken sin theta, sin by into cos by sin, remaining is the cos. So cos square theta. Here we have cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta by cos theta, cos theta get cancelled, then sin theta is remaining. Sin theta going to be multiplied with the numerator of the sin theta. Then it's become the sin स्क्वायर थीटा, यही हो जाएगा हमारे पास। देन सी स्टूडेंट्स, वी हैव आइडेंटिटी विच इज साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1. व्हाट द आइडेंटिटी? आइडेंटिटी इज द साइन स्क्वायर थीटा plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So sin square theta can be written as the 1 minus cos square theta. See here, 1 minus cos square theta, 1 minus cos square theta, and the terms will be the sin square theta. Then we have cos theta. In multiplication, cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. This is the 1. Then we have sin theta into the cos theta. यही है हमारे पास. Now see students, here we have sin theta and here we have also sin theta. This is of 1 and this is of 2. ये बेसिकली हमारे पास है क्या, देखिए इसको हम ऐसे कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, sin theta into sin theta, and in denominator we have cos theta into sin theta into cos theta. बेसिकली ये sin square theta है क्या, sin theta into sin theta ही है. Then sin theta and sin theta going to be cancelled to each other, then remaining is the sin theta. In numerator we have sin theta and in denominator we have sin theta into cos theta. Here we have cos theta, sin theta has gone cancelled. ये क्या हो गया हमारा sin theta वो cancelled हो गया. Then remaining is the cos theta only. हमारे पास cos theta के ही terms है. देखिए sin theta and cos theta both get create identity. Identity क्या create करेंगे? sin theta and the cos theta. देखिए sin theta by cos theta which is equal to tan theta. यही है हमारा tan theta है. So convert it into the tan theta. Then we have 1 by cos theta. फिर क्या हमारे पास remaining 1 by cos theta है. See students, remind in the earlier question we had convert के sec theta upon the 1 by cos theta. sec theta को हमने क्या convert किया था, 1 by cos theta. So again 1 by cos theta is equal to sec theta. Then see tan theta into sec theta. Now compare it with the राइट हैंड साइड. जो हमारा राइट हैंड साइड है उससे ये कंपेयर कीजिए. देखिए हियर वी हैव tan थीटा इनटू sec थीटा, हियर वी हैव आल्सो tan थीटा इनटू द sec थीटा. सो at the end we can write as the hence proof. It means that we have verified the left hand side which is equal to the right hand side. It is all about your exercise, sorry, question number 13 of exercise 7.1. 7.1 we have a many types of the more question. So this is all about the question number 13 of exercise 7.1. Now we are ending our session. In next session we will start with the another exercise. Thank you class.